Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on an Audi TT Mk2. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool for safety. You will need a T30 Torx driver, often found in your car's toolkit, and a new H7 headlight bulb. We will cover accessing the headlight unit, removing the old bulb, installing the new one, and finally, testing your work. Remember to handle the new bulb carefully by its base. To access the headlight bulb, begin by opening the bonnet of your Audi TT Mk2. Next, gently pull forward and remove the plastic trim piece located between the headlight and the grille. This trim is held by clips. You will then find 3 Torx-headed bolts securing the headlight unit. Loosen the 2 outer bolts by about 5 turns and completely remove the center bolt. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight unit forward. With the headlight unit out, you can now access the bulb. Disconnect the electrical wiring that supplies power to the bulb. Next, remove the bulb cover by turning it counterclockwise until it can be easily pulled off. You will then see a retention clip or spring holding the old H7 bulb. Swing this clip open and carefully remove the old bulb. Insert the new H7 bulb, ensuring its notches align with the holder, and secure it with the retention clip. Remember not to touch the glass. After installing the new bulb, reattach the bulb cover by turning it clockwise until secure. Reconnect the wiring harness to the bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its housing, ensuring it sits flush. Tighten the 3 Torx-headed bolts you loosened earlier to secure the headlight unit in place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it is working correctly and illuminates the road as expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.